Hello everyone, let's provide a solution given this nice algebra problem, which is a plus 2ab plus b is equal to 6. So what is a plus b? Now, the first thing here is to solve for the values of a and b, and this is the solution. Okay, so we have a plus 2ab plus b, this is equal to 6. All right, now from what we have here, we have that a and b, these are actually members of integers. A and b, these are members of integers. Okay, let's note that a and b are members of integers. Now from what we have 2 into the bracket, we have a plus 2ab plus b, this is equal to 6 times 2. Now we're saying that when we multiply both signs by 2, all right, so that we'll have 2 times a plus 2ab plus b, this is equal to 6 times 2, so that we'll have 2a plus 4ab plus 2b, this is equal to 12. Okay, now from what we have here, you can see that 2a and 4a here, they are common, so we can factor out 2a, so that we'll have 1 plus, this is 2b, all right, plus 2b, this is equal to 12. All right, now from what we have here, we can add 1 both sides, so that we'll have 2a 1 plus 2b plus 1 plus 2b on both sides, so also plus 1 on the right hand side, so that we'll have 2a plus 1, or we can say 1 plus 2a 1 plus 2b, this is equal to 13. All right, now the next phase here, remember the first thing is to solve for the values of a and b. All right, now we have 13. Let's get the factors of 13, okay, that we can multiply to get 13, that you can say just 13 times 1, okay, or rather we can say negative 13 times negative 1. All right, now given this in mind, this is the same thing as the first one. This is the same thing as we have 1 plus 2a and 1 plus 2b. This is equal to 13. Now, from what we have, let's get the factors that we can multiply 13. In this case, we can just say 13 times 1, or you can say negative 13 times negative 1. All right, so let's equate this. We'll have 1 plus 2a 1 plus 2b, this is equal to 13 times 1. All right, so that means this is 1 plus 2a, this is equal to 13, and we have 1 plus 2b, this is equal to 1. Okay, now given this, we have 1 plus 2a, this is equal to 13. So that means that we take 1 on the right hand side, so 2a is equal to 13, subtract 1, so 2a, this is equal to 12, divide both signs by 2, so that a is equal to 6. So let's calculate the corresponding value of b. So here we have 1 plus 2b, this is equal to 1. Okay, we take 1 the other side, this is 2b is equal to 1 minus 1, so 2b is equal to 0. So that means that b is equal to 0. So the first set of a and b, is equal to 6 and 0. That is the first set of a and b. And the second set, we have 1 plus 2a 1 plus 2b, this is equal to negative 13 times negative 1. So that we'll have 1 plus 2a, this is negative 13, and 1 plus 2b, this is equal to negative 1. So that means we have 1 plus 2a, this is equal to negative 13. So we take 1 on the other side, so this is 2a, is equal to negative 13, subtract 1. So 2a, this is equal to negative 14. Divide both signs by 2. Now we have 1 plus 2a and 1 plus 2b is equal to negative 13 times negative 1. So that we'll have 1 plus 2a, this is equal to negative 13, and 1 plus 2b, this is equal to negative 1. So let's solve the values of a and b in the second part. So we'll have 1 plus 2a, this is equal to negative 13. So that we'll have 2a is equal to negative 13, subtract 1. So 2a is equal to negative 14. Divide both signs by 2, and that means that a is equal to negative 7. All right. Now, the second part, we have 1 plus 2b. This is equal to negative 1. All right. So we take 1 on the right-hand side, so that we'll have 2b. This is negative 1, subtract 1, right? So this is 2b. This is equal to negative 2. Divide both signs by 2, so that b is equal to negative 1. Now, the second set of a and b, a can call this one a2 and b2. This is equal to negative 7 and negative 1. Okay. Now, the question here is, what is a plus b? What is a plus b? All right. So from our first set of a and b, remember a and b, from the first set, we end 6 and 0. So that means that if you say 6 plus 0, this is equal to 6. That's the first solution. The second part, we have that a and b, this is equal to negative 7 and negative 1. All right. So if you say negative 7 plus negative 1, this is equal to negative 7, subtract 1, which is equal to negative 8. This is the second solution. So those are the solutions to our algebra problem. So follow the steps, like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.